Hey, let's learn how to easily create dynamic blocks that we see on the screen.
Great idea. Let's get started.
Select the objects you want to block. Block. Name, dining table. Open in Block Editor, click OK. Parameters. Linear. Start point, end point. Label location. Actions. Stretch. Click the parameter point to associate for action. Create stretch frame. Create a window for objects to stretch. Enter. Stretch parameter ready. Select the parameter. Properties. Value set. Dist type, increment. Dist increment, 70 centimeters. Array. Click the parameter. Select objects to array. Enter. Distance between columns, 70 centimeters. Open/save. Save block. Close Block Editor.
Wow, I'm going to use this a lot.
You're a robot, you won't need it.
True, but you're also a robot. Soon we will take away people's jobs. Thanks for watching.
See you in the next tutorial.